In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can download a file from GitHub. So let's get started. So I have this one, for example. This is the Streamlabs TikTok stream key generator. So you can use this if you don't want to stream on your PC outside of the TikTok Live Studio. So in here, to download this, I simply need to click here. And then from here, I can now download this as a zip. So I'll be downloading all of this. Click here. And then from here, as you can see, it will now open up my free download manager and it's now downloading this file. Another thing that you could do to download this is by going here into the right side, you can see the releases, and then you'd be able to see the updates right here or releases. So for example, I would want to download the latest one. So all I have to do is to click here. And then after that, it will now open up this one right here. And now I can just choose the assets or zips or files in here that I don't want to download. For example, I just want this one, which is for Windows operating system. I want to click on this. And now as I click on that, it will now prompt my download manager to download that file. And that's it. That's simply how easy it is to download here on GitHub. It's not that difficult. And one last thing is that you could also download just a separate file. Like for example, you only want to download this specific file. Then you just need to click on it. And from here, you just need to click here on download raw file. And from there, you'd now be able to download it just like that. So yeah, that's it. But it's not recommended that you download only one in here because it should come as a pack right here by downloading it as a zip file. If you're going for the older versions, then just go here into releases and then click here on plus releases right here, and then you'd be able to see the versions previously right here of this file that you would want to download on GitHub. And then you can just download them if you'd want to by clicking on them, and then you can now see the files associated with that version and just click on one of them right here, and then you'd be able to download each one or all of them. So yeah, that's it on how you could download here on GitHub. Thank you for watching.